Hello everybody, okay, I have here with me the Gaia Grounding Mat. Okay, so if you have got it, alright, it's very easy. I'm going to demonstrate to you how to actually use it. Alright, so as you can see, this mat, I can feel it's very good quality. It's soft, alright. Yeah, so you can see that there is a button plug here. So all you need to do is to make sure that you plug this in over here. Yes, and you have been given also this 3-pin plug with the earth is on the top and the neutral and the light is a plastic, means it's not working actually. So that means you only need the earth here. The other end of the cable, you just need to make sure that you put this inside, and make sure that you put it in properly, okay? From this 3-pin plug, then you just have to plug in over here. You can choose to switch on or switch off, it doesn't actually matter because the neutral and the light is not working. The only one which is what we need is the earth. We need the earth electrons coming over to our body, and the additional charges from our body is to flow out through this mat to go down to the ground, which is called earthing. Yes, that's what we want, alright? That's all.